Are you sitting comfortably? Because it's Grandma's story time. Let's see what adventures we're going to get up to today. I love you as big as the world. I love you as big as the world. I love you as deep as the sea. I love you as bright as the sun. I love you and I know you love me. I love you as blue as the sky. I love you as long as the days. I love you as high as the mountain top. I love you in so many ways. I love you as strong as the wind. I love you as soft as the dew. I love you as far as the star. I love you because you are you. The end. That was a really lovely book. I really enjoyed that one. Remember, Grandma loves you. Mwah, 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 mwah.